Do you like stories?
Yes.
Yes.
So there are two friends. One person's name is Ramesh. Another person's name is?
Suresh.
Yes. So the other person's name is Suresh. Now they both were working in the same company. They both were working in an IT company, and not an IT company. We'll say, let's say, the both are working in a manufacturing company. Okay. Earning of Ramesh and Suresh is both 20, or you can say 50,000 per month. So their earning was 50,000 per month. Ramesh Ramesh and Suresh, they both wanted to start a business. After 5 years. So somebody asked them, what you want to do? So they wanted to start a business after 5 years. Now, in order to start the business, what they would require? Any idea? They've
Capital.
not decided.
Capital.
They require capital. What else?
What kind of
What
business
kind
they
Land.
of
want to
business
start?
they want to start?
So business,
Research, basically.
product,
Idea you can say.
or some service.
Labor.
What else?
Some ideas.
Labor.
Labor. Okay.
Equipments.
Resources.
Equipments. Yeah, resources will be. We will even put labor as resources.
Yeah.
What else?
And
Clients.
clients.
I'm sorry?
Clients. Like who they are giving their resource.
Clients.
Customers.
Customer.
Clients. What else?
Knowledge. Knowledge.
See, all these things will come after he has a capital. Right?
Plan and execution.
Planning.
Planning. Okay. What else?
The business idea and the intent.
Business idea. Okay. What else? Think. You cannot just start
Market
business
studying.
with a business
Market
idea and
studying.
capital.
Location.
Market
where-
studying. Like whatever business a person wants to do first needs to read the market of it. And
Okay.
not just the current market, it's about the future market as well.
Okay. So market study, research and all. Okay. What else?
Data and
Execution.
information.
I'm sorry?
Data and information about the products and the market.
Okay.
Competition in the
What else?
market.
Say that again.
Competition in the market.
Competition. Okay. What else?
Risk associated with the like whatever business they are starting.
Okay. Some skills.
Yes.
They would require some skills, maybe entrepreneurial skills, selling skills.
Yes.
Some kind of skills would require, right?
Yes.
Communication skills.
Some attitude would be required. Do you think an attitude is required to start a business?
Yes, ma'am.
Positive attitude.
Anybody
Yes.
can start a business and run it successfully? Do you think
No.
so?
No.
No. Customer handling
Certain kind of attitude is required, right?
Positive
Yes.
kind of attitude.
Leadership
Positive
quality.
attitude, some mindset.
Basically
Communication skills.
basically the business acumen that is there. The
Yeah, so I
ability
want
to
that in
understand.
detail. Yeah, so business acumen. Anything else? Knowledge,
Licensings.
license, right?
Licensing.
Licensing. Okay. Now they both discussed and they came up with this list. Ramesh and Suresh, they both made this list. Suresh looked at the list and he said, the first thing is capital. I don't have it. I can't start the business now. Not even 5 years. I will look at it after 5 years. So I cannot do anything about it. Ramesh, on the other hand, he looked at the same list and he said, okay, capital is something that I don't have right now, but I can definitely develop a growth mindset. I can increase my business acumen. I can gain certain knowledge, develop a certain attitude. I can definitely learn about the competition. I can look for a business idea. I can look for what kind of clients I want to serve, what services or product I want to start selling, what planning would require, what labor or resources, how much, so that I know exactly how much capital will be required to do that. Market study I can do today about the product. There are numerous free resources. So this person started working on the thing that he will have money that he will start after 5 years. Capital, he said, I'm saving every month. They both were saving every month, 20,000 for their business. But because Suresh did not have money, they both had money, 50,000, but Ramesh started saving 20,000 because he had thought in advance how much capital I would require to start my business after 5 years. And he came to this conclusion that if I save 20,000 every month, I will be able to do all these, start my business after 5 years. So which approach is a proactive approach and who is taking a reactive approach? Is Ramesh doing the right thing or is Suresh doing the right thing?
I think Ramesh is doing the
Ramesh
right
doing the right thing.
Ramesh.
Yeah.
Yes.
But don't you think they both are at the same situation? Current situation is same or different?
They might have on the same situation.
Current is same.
What makes them different?
Their approach.
Proactive approach
Their
and
approach.
reflection that how the things can work, where like growth mindset and the attitude towards it.
So their proactive approach makes Ramesh better because he made this list. Because they made this list, he is now conscious that capital is the only thing I don't have right now, but I can definitely work upon the other skills so that by the time, at least from today, I will be start saving this much amount every month, and by the time I will reach 5 years, I will have the money and I also have the skill and acumen to start my business. But who do you think will succeed? Has more chances to succeed?
Ramesh has more chances.
Ramesh.
Yeah, he experiences a lot of things.
Ramesh has more chances to succeed because he has thought about it today in advance. In the same manner, when we are thinking about our life goals, are we thinking like Suresh or are we thinking like Ramesh? You don't have to answer to me, but you have to answer to yourself. What is the line that you want to pick? Where do you want to see yourself 5 years down the line? Your company doesn't promote you because you have spent 15 years in the company. Your company will promote you when they see that in those 15 years, you have added value to the company. And when a person is clear, like Ramesh, from the beginning, that I am here to add value, I am here to look at my work from a leader's perspective, that person will have more chances to grow than any other person. Do you agree with that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.